Hello friends, I am Naresh Kulkarni, lecturer, MBES College of Pharmacy, Latur. Today I am going to discuss about the first chapter of Human Anatomy and Physiology of first year Diploma in Pharmacy syllabus. The name of the chapter is The Cell. After completion of this presentation, you will be able to know the definition of cell, organization of human body, structure of cell, various cell organelles, and functions of cell. So, in the beginning, we'll discuss what is cell. The cell is structural and functional unit of human body. Cell perform different functions in the human body. Cells possess the qualities of living matter, that is the human body. Cells helps in the preservation and reproduction. Cell is the basic unit in the organization of human body. So we'll discuss about organization of human body. As we have discussed earlier, cell is structural and functional unit of human body. Thus, human body is formed from cell. Many cells combines and forms tissue. Many tissues combines and forms organ. Many organs combines and form organ system. Many organ system combines and form human body. We'll discuss about various cell organelles. Cell contains various cell organelles as follows. First is nucleus. Cell contains single rounded structure called nucleus. It is present at the center of the cell. Cell contains few hundred to few thousand mitochondria. Mitochondria are called as powerhouse of cell because energy currency of the body, that is ATP, is produced in the mitochondria. Another cell organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is of two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum, depending upon the presence or absence of ribosomes. If ribosomes are present, the endoplasmic reticulum is called rough endoplasmic reticulum, and if ribosomes are absent, the reticulum is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Cell also contains rounded cup-shaped structures called as Golgi apparatus, which helps in the protein precipitation. Another cell organelle is lysosomes, which are called as suicide bags of cell. Centrosomes and microsomes are another cell organelles, which are very small structures present in the cell. Cell performs various functions as enlisted here. Cell is responsible for ingestion and assimilation. It ingests and assimilates the food material. Cell performs growth and repair function. It performs metabolism with the help of two processes, anabolism and catabolism. Cell also performs the function respiration, which is exchange of gases, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide. It supplies oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. Cell also performs excretion, that is removal of waste material from the cell, and cell performs reproduction, that is formation of daughter cells from the previous cell. So in this part we have discussed the definition of cell, various cell organelles and functions of cell. In the next part we will discuss in detail structure of cell and detail about the cell organelles. So thank you for watching.